I'm Nadine Fosler and welcome to a how-to with Tjhoko Paint. Once you have been creative and you have chocoed everything, you need to clean up. Tjhoko Paint is water-based, eco-friendly, non-toxic, so cleaning happens with 2 ticks of a lamb's tail, and I'll show you how easy it is to clean your paint equipment and accessories. Once you have painted, please make sure that you clean all your paint equipment well, even your paint jars, to prevent any air contamination of happening. You can clean everything with water, no chemicals are required. Even your painted surfaces can be cleaned with water when you want to clean them. You can use a few drops of Dettol in your water and wash off your surface if you want to clean it. Please don't clean painted surfaces with detergents, soaps or ammonia products. Choco is a great product with great grippage, but you still need to look after it as being a painted surface, so take care of your surfaces. Even your Tjhoko paint jars can be cleaned and recycled and upcycled, so there are no limits to Tjhoko. Everything is easy and effortless, so enjoy the process with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on those notifications, and remember, don't just paint it, Tjhoko it.